Are you tired of running out of money before your next paycheck? Do you feel stuck in an endless cycle of just getting by? You're not alone, but the good news is you can break free. Stick around and I'll show you practical steps to escape the paycheck to paycheck trap for good. Comment below. What's your biggest financial struggle right now? Step 1. Track every dollar you spend. You can't fix what you don't measure. Track every dollar for a month. Rent, groceries, coffee, subscriptions, you name it. Use an app or a simple notebook. Once you see where your money goes, you can cut out unnecessary spending. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. If a car breaks down or a medical bill pops up, it can throw you into financial chaos. Start by saving at least $500 to $1,000 as a safety net. Even $20 per week adds up over time. Step 3. Increase your income. If your paycheck barely covers your bills, it's time to earn more. Ask for a raise, learn a high-paying skill, or start a side hustle, freelancing, selling online, or driving for a rideshare app. More income means more financial freedom. Step 4. Reduce debt and cut expenses. Debt is like a financial anchor, dragging you down. Start by paying off high-interest debt first. Also, cut unnecessary expenses. Downgrade subscriptions, cook at home, and shop smarter. Every dollar saved is a step toward financial independence. Step 5. Automate your savings and investments. Don't rely on willpower alone. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. Even if it's just 5 to 10% of your income, it builds wealth over time without effort. 3. Final thoughts. Your future starts now. Breaking free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle won't happen overnight, but every small step moves you closer to financial security. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your life transform. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more money tips, and drop a comment below. What's your next financial goal? Turn on notifications so you don't miss out on life-changing financial advice. Parque.